Get started with SAP Crystal Presentation Design software. Download your copy and unlock the power of data visualization. SAP Crystal Presentation Design is a point-and-click data visualization tool for creating interactive dashboard presentations from Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. Formerly known as Excelsius Present, the software is now SAP Crystal Presentation Design. Begin turning your Excel spreadsheets into professional interactive visual dashboard presentations with the click of a button. Business users can quickly embed existing spreadsheet data into the design workspace and use visual components to build rich data presentations. No programming skills are necessary. Let's take a look at how it works. In this demonstration, you'll see how to use the design workspace, transform data into interactive charts, and leverage pre-built design components to explore what-if scenarios. Use the design workspace. There are 5 major panels or areas within the workspace of the designer. The canvas is where your dashboards take shape. The component browser is where you select charts, maps, and other visual elements. The Properties panel is where you edit the attributes of a selected component. The Object browser provides quick access to existing dashboard components. The Embedded spreadsheet is where your Excel data sits. We'll begin by importing an existing spreadsheet as our information source. The embedded spreadsheet can be used in 3 ways: as a data source, as the calculation engine, and to support what-if scenarios, such as predicting trends based on changes in key performance indicators. This spreadsheet shows worldwide sales volume with metrics for regional orders and revenue. Data cells in the spreadsheet are linked, enabling interactivity with the software. For example, the revenue column is a result of multiplying 2 other columns. We'll use this data to build interactive charts. Transform data into interactive charts. We want to highlight key information for a worldwide sales manager, so we're going to add some visual elements to the canvas. Whenever a visual element is added, it must be connected to data cells in the spreadsheet using the Properties panel. Once on the canvas, the chart properties can be adjusted to yield the desired look and behavior. To modify the pie chart, we click on it to activate its property box. We can add a title and delete the subtitle, which isn't required in this scenario. Next, we'll set the data values for the cost of sales across the 4 sales regions. Then we'll select the 4 regions as our range to connect the data to the pie chart. We'll follow a similar sequence for the bar chart, but this time working with net revenue. We'll select a single series of data to display in this chart. Adding multiple series is possible too, and enables you to chart different values. But in this case, we'll be showing only one value, net revenue. We'll select the data range for net revenue across our 4 regions. We complete this step by naming the regions. Leverage pre-built design components to explore what-if scenarios. To take this visualization beyond simple charting, our next step will be to add a what-if scenario. In the spreadsheet, all the average order values for each region are derived from a single worldwide average in cell C2. We can attach a dial to this worldwide average and enable users to adjust the value, which will recalculate all of the downstream dependent numbers, such as revenue and net revenue for all regions. To begin, we click on the Single Value option in the Components panel, which provides a selection of dials and gauges for single values. We simply drag and drop the desired components onto the canvas. We'll add a title to the gauge and connect it to the worldwide average order value. The result is a gauge showing the value. We'll follow the same sequence to link the dial so that we can interactively adjust this value in real time. Now we can preview the dashboard to make sure all of the elements are working as they should. As we move the dial and lower the average order value, we can see how each region responds and which is most sensitive to lower average order values due to higher costs of goods sold. In this case, EMEA is the most sensitive region. Back in the design environment, you can modify the dashboard with different themes, color palettes, or background images. You can also import custom images to add a finished look and feel. One by one, we can turn off the chart backgrounds so they blend with the new background. We can then finish the dashboard by selecting a theme. All elements remain editable, so you can resize the components or add alerts as an enhancement at any time. Your completed data presentation can be exported to Adobe PDF and Microsoft Office solutions with the touch of a button. Recipients of exported content experience the full benefits associated with the interactive dashboard environment. To begin your own exploration, simply click the Preview button. SAP Crystal Presentation Design features a point-and-click interface, so you can create professional-looking presentations in minutes, transform rows of Excel data into interactive charts and maps, and make informed decisions by exploring what-if scenarios. Get started instantly with pre-built templates, themes, and components included with the software. Download your copy today.